Good day, viewers. You got the technologically impaired senior citizen today. Old Pwalpar coming at you, part 2. I've been learning to use this GoPro LIT Hero, small GoPro. Now, different thing about this one, the little tabs that go into your brackets folds right up like that. It's got a 1/4-20 hole in the bottom where you can screw it right onto a tripod. But you got to take your fingernail and stand them things back up, and you can hook it. I've been wearing it on my helmet cam. But anyway, this part 2 series, I've just been experimenting, and some of the videos might be a little wacky when I get confused with the different categories like super view and slow motion and regular 1080p and 4:3 videos. But if you bear with me here, we're eventually going to get the hang of this new GoPro. I'm very well knowledgeable about the regular GoPro Heroes. The GoPro 7 Black. But we're learning this one, and it was a lot less money, and it's got some flaws. I got to learn how to do the anti-shake thing with it, or stabilizer, I should say. I got to learn how to stabilize the YouTube videos. This 7 Black comes with stabilizer built right into it, and if you're moving around or bouncing, it stabilizes your video considerably. But for what I paid for this, $179, it's going to be worth it. I'm going to get some use out of it. It's small enough you can put it in your pocket, take it to the movies with you. Here's the, I'm assuming my webcam can see that. Then it can be used as a tripod or a selfie stick, and it extends out to 5 foot long by pulling it out. Sometime today I'm going to stretch it out to 5 feet and hold it up on the edge of the porch to see if my rain gutters is clogged. I think they are, but I haven't had a ladder around here to climb up there and look. But I saw the way the rain's coming off the side of the house, and I believe the rain gutters are definitely clogged. So one day that'll be on my list of things to do. Today's vlog part 2, I'm going to show you some grass cutting out here in the yard. I should say grass raking. You'll see when I get to that part of the video. Anyway, bear with me on the next 2 or 3 parts of this series, because I don't know much about I'm not very familiar with what to do with this camera, and I'm learning. Maybe some of you that are out there got one of these things might learn a thing or two by watching me make my mistakes. I'm already talking too much in this intro, but let's get on with the video part 2. I appreciate you tuning in today, my friends. All right, viewers, I got my new LIT GoPro on. I spent a good bit of time today trying to figure how to update the software. I sat in there for an hour just to get the camera functioning. And this is my first video. I've just filled up the bird seed picture. I'm going to go out there and feed the birds. And there won't be no spectacular video today as far as this. I just want to see what the picture looks like. I don't even know if I've got it set on the right setting. This thing does slow motion. It does 4:3. I prefer 16:9 videos. So I got it on video 1080p, I think, but it does 4K films too. I have no idea if it's even working. We'll find out when I try to put it on my vlog today. Thought I'd come out here and feed the birds. Something's blowed up out there in the yard. I don't know what it is. Now, I was able to get my new GoPro hooked up to my helmet cam. Zinnias are looking nice. Oh, quite a bit of food already in that thing. I thought they would be out. We'll dump that out for the doves. They need some food. Give them some fresh here. I think I'll take my GoPro off my, I think I'll hold my helmet cam just in my hand and zoom in and get a close-up on some of these flowers. Somebody had a video saying you can't do super close-ups with a GoPro. I've never had any real complaints. You know, I was worried when I planted these zinnias that I had them too close together. But in a way, it kind of helps putting them together, because they just grow on a single stem. If they were separated like this one over here, they'd probably blow right over in the first wind, but these kind of support each other. I know that's bound to be too close. There's another one about a little farther away, a yellow one. There's a red one. Orange. I guess that one would be called yellow to purple. What's missing? Butterflies. We ain't got no butterflies out here this evening. And then we're just gonna go and see if I can download this little bit of footage onto my computer. Look at all this dead grass I piled up out here. No, Walter's not gonna rake. Maybe the wind will come along and blow it away. Ooh, that looks nasty. I don't even think I want to touch that. Some critter had dragged it up here. I'll just go wash my hands.
I don't think so. No, 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 no. I don't think so. No, 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 no. It's never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen. I don't think so. No, 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 no. I don't think so. No, 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 no. It's never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen. I don't think so. No, 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 no. Maybe someday you'll have it your way. Maybe someday it'll all work out.
This action camera might work out all right. We'll see. I didn't spend a lot of money on it, so if it doesn't work, I'm only out a little bit. There's a mean looking mosquito there. Let's see if we can get him on camera. No. My eyes ain't that good to follow him. I don't know where he went. Hydrangeas are looking nice. There he is. Oh, no butterflies today. Come to think of it, no birds. I came out yesterday and a big old hawk was sitting up there. When he's around, I'm sure the birds are hiding. Anyway, I came out and he flew off over that way. He's probably the one been keeping my birds scared away. Yeah, you can see where I blew all the grass over that way because I didn't want to be tracking it in the house. But it's dried for a whole day and a half. I think I can blow it away better now.
I don't think so. No, 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 no. I don't think so. No, 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 no. It's never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen. I don't think so. No, 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 no. I don't think so. No, 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 no. It's never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen. I don't think so. No, 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 no. Until then, nope, a nope, a nope, a nope, definitely nope, a nope, nope, a nope. Probably never, ever, 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 ever,